So today I want to solve one of my subscribers' issue with one of the effects in Alight Motion. He said that he added the copy background effect to his shape and then the Gaussian Blur effect and went ahead to group it with other layers. Then finally it didn't go as he planned. The Gaussian Blur effect didn't work and now he wants a solution. So in this video I'm going to show you two methods for solving this specific problem. Alright, let's begin. Now, I want to check if this effect will work or not. I have these 4 circle shapes on the screen right now with different colors. Next, I will add a rectangle shape to fill the screen. Then I will apply the copy background and Gaussian Blur effects. You can see that I have already added the effects to the rectangle shape. Now, let's see what happens when I group it together with the circle shapes. So you were right after all. I mean, the effect didn't even work. It's only made the shapes look like they were glowing, as if I added the glow effect to them. So I don't know why it didn't really work, but what I do know is that this has something to do with the group. Now that the effect didn't work, what do we do? Let's start with the first method. What you have to do is group the circles, then add the Gaussian Blur effect, and that solves the problem. The second method is like what we did at the beginning of the video. Just add your rectangle shape, then add your copy background and Gaussian Blur effects, and don't group them, just leave them that way. So you see how simple this is, and that's it for today. If this solved the problem, drop your comments below, and if you still have any other effects you are struggling with, just let me know. Thanks for watching.